actually a quite sunny day outside, but the past few days it's been not sunny. It's been raining and like Today's actually a beautiful day. So I thought of the idea of making a list of things to do when you're bored and it's raining outside. Let's get to it. Okay, so starting off, you could do a craft. A craft.
Artwork. You need to explain artwork?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Color. Or paint.
Clean your room. You know, your parents will like that one.
All right, let's clean my room. Oh boy, this might take a while. Yikes.
Dust some shelves.
Watch a movie or TV program.
Watch YouTube.
Count your ceiling tiles.
What are you doing?
Counting. Call a friend.
Sup, dude? Sup? Yeah, just chilling on the couch. Yeah, I know, right?
Crazy.
It's raining.
Lies.
Prank call somebody.
Hi, I was just wondering if your refrigerator was... I was wondering if your refrigerator was running. Oh, it is? You better go get it. You better go catch it.
Do some handstands.
Pretend you're a statue.
Pretend you're in a music video.
Write a song.
La 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 la, I'm writing a song, la 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 la, because it's raining, la 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 la, and I'm writing a song, yeah.
Write a poem.
Roses are red, violets are blue. Chicken nuggets are good. The end.
Curl up in a ball in a blanket.
Count raindrops.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
I lost count.
Count the time down until it's sunny.
Just a reminder that there would be an actual watch on my wrist if it wasn't for that one person who stole it, if you remember from a few videos ago. It's fine, I'm fine, it's totally fine.
It's been 10 seconds and I'm over it. Where's the sun? Where's the sun?
Apply chapstick.
It smells delicious. I love it.
Okay.
Make a video.
Like this video. And also, yes, like this video, please. Can't zoom in, okay.
Woo! I would say play in the rain, but I advise you not to because sometimes, you know, it might be thunderstorming. That's no fun. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Maybe we'll do another video like just things to do when you're bored, things to do in the summer, things to do outside, etc, etc, etc. This video was specifically for when it's raining out. I hope you enjoyed that.
I know I did.
I did. Do you enjoy bullying me? You're mocking me.
I'm not mocking you.
What are you doing then?
I'm just copying what you're doing.
No,
Yeah.
that's mocking me.
No, I'm just doing what you're doing.
Okay.
So are you saying that you're mocking me?
What?
You're mocking me.
No, you're mocking
Now
me.
you're mocking me.
How am I mocking you?
Because I was just doing what you were doing, trying to make this video, and then you said you're mocking me. So now you're mocking me.
I'm stating a fact that you were mocking me. If I was mocking you, I would have been like
I'm kidding.
something like
So now
that.
you're mocking me.
I was giving you
So
an
now you're
example.
mocking me,
I was
huh?
giving you an example.
No.
Yeah.
Sounds like you're mocking
No,
me.
I was giving you an example, Katie.
So if I was mocking Andy, I would be like, Katie.
No.
No, you, Katie.
You
No.
You-
Katie.
You literally did that to me, except you copied me. What are you doing?
I'm chilling on your shoulder, Andy.
Why?
You're making it weird.
That's how you do that.
You don't know where this arm has been, Andy. I haven't showered yet.
Dude!
Also, side note, I'm sorry for my room. Oh, nice vacuum, etc. Besides her mimicking me.
You were mocking me.
No, you were mocking
closed.
me. Case closed, you were mocking
Jury-
me. We just took a business law class.
but
She's trying
who-
to be all cool and
But
stuff.
who got a better grade?
You
Me,
we got the
boy.
same grade. I didn't have a textbook. You said you used it before.
When?
I asked you if you used it, and you're like,
Yeah, once or twice.
and that was like a week ago. I'm a better lawyer.
Andy, who got a better grade?
I was a CFO in the class, and I got 100 on that. So
Andy.
also, I made my own business, and I also got an A on that. So
Okay, so did I. I got an A on everything except for the final.
wow,
Andy, what'd you get on the final?
I got a grade on final.
But what grade?
Anyway, I'm a better lawyer. Quality over quantity, am I right?
That doesn't make any sense because I got the better grades. I'm the better lawyer.
I know more. I'm more educated.
How do you know more if I got the
Experience,
better
Kid-
grade,
Kitty,
Andy?
experience. I'm very good at persuading. I'm a better lawyer. You got okay.
I am a better lawyer.
You got a better grade than me?
No.
Yeah,
I got
no?
a better. No,
What?
I did get a better grade
Oh,
than you because
why-
I'm a
why'd
better
you say
lawyer.
no then?
Because
you
you're
lying?
frustrating me.
Anyway, okay, Katie got the better grade.
Yes, I did.
I'm the better lawyer.
Okay.
Close. I'm the better lawyer.
My grade shows that I'm the better lawyer.
I'm the better lawyer. I'm the better lawyer. I'm the better lawyer.
Legitimately 5 minutes later, but I'm a better lawyer.
I'm the better lawyer. But I'm the better lawyer. Thank you for watching.
Please subscribe.
Please like the video. I hope you enjoyed because, well, I know I did. Okay, we'll catch you on the flip side and we'll see you next time, fam. Bye.